Hey everybody, welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and I have a really fun project to share with you today. I'm going to be using Mod Podge Ultra to create this really cool heart mosaic. Now this is so easy to do. I'm not using any grout or anything like that. The Mod Podge Ultra does all the work for you. So this is a spray Mod Podge and it's super heavy duty. So it's going to have really amazing bonding properties, but it's also going to seal all of your different pieces in. And I want to talk about some of the different pieces that I'm using today. I've got some broken china pieces and we have some rose embellishments. Those are plastic, and I've got some little buttons and some pearls. Now you can do this in any different way that you want with all kinds of materials. Rocks. I'm going to throw some pictures up to show you some of the other things that we've done using Mod Podge Ultra. Now Ultra comes in an 8-ounce bottle or a 4-ounce bottle, and it is a spray Mod Podge, and you'll be able to create so many different projects, including these cool mosaics. So sit back and enjoy this quick tutorial. To create the mosaic heart, I'm using beautiful floral printed plates and some embellishments, some small buttons, pearls, and little rose embellishments. For this project, I'm using Mod Podge Ultra. That comes in the spray bottle. We're also using a hammer to bust up the plates, but make sure you're wearing safety goggles. Safety first. First, you're going to want to use a hammer to break up your plates. I like to have several different sizes of pieces. You're going to want some little ones and some bigger ones. Next, I'm creating a heart template on a scrap paper. Once my template is complete, I'm going to transfer it onto a wood surface. I like to transfer it using a pencil. That way I can draw a very faint line. When working with Mod Podge Ultra, it's important to protect your work surface. I like to use a large plastic drop cloth. This is a spray bottle, so remember, you may be spraying a little over your project. Prep all of your embellishments before you get started. If you have a shank button, you can easily remove the shank just using some wire clippers. Prep your Mod Podge Ultra by going ahead and rolling around the bottle. This is a spray Mod Podge and it's very durable. To attach our pieces for the mosaic, you will just spray the Mod Podge Ultra to your surface. Then you'll just place your piece right into the Mod Podge Ultra. You will have some time to move the pieces around. Once I'm happy with placement, I spray a little bit more Mod Podge Ultra just to secure the sides. Once you're happy with the first layer of the design, go ahead and spray the whole design with the Mod Podge Ultra. Then you're going to set it aside and let it dry for about 4 to 5 hours. Okay, this design's been drying for about 4 hours, and now I want to add a few more embellishments to the top. This just adds a little bit more dimension, and you can go ahead and fill in any of the holes. Before I complete a design, I like to turn it upside down and look at it from different angles and see if there's any spots that might be missing an embellishment. The design is complete and I love it. Now I'm ready for one last top coat of Mod Podge Ultra. I'm going to spray the complete design plus the background wood, and then I'm going to let it dry overnight. It's important to clean the spray nozzle after you're done using Mod Podge Ultra so that it won't get clogged. I like to just remove it and soak it in a little bit of water, and I like to wipe down the tip. Make sure you put the cap back on. So guys, what do you think about that? It's unbelievable how durable this Mod Podge Ultra is. Just a little bit of a spray and then boom, everything just sticks like that. It's such a fun medium to work with. I hope that this has inspired you to create some mosaics of your own. We'll be back here next Thursday on Facebook and Saturdays on YouTube. Have a super crafty week, and I'll see you next week.